If you divide the nose into simple shapes, you can see that it is in the form of a pyramid and consists of 4 parts. Try to think in 3D. Just try to draw the noses you see in the reference photos so far. Depending on the shape of the nose, this pyramid can be bent. Once we're done with this step, we can move on to the details. I start by softening the lines and creating the shape of the nose. The nasal bone may be wide in some people and narrow in others. Do not draw this bone in 2 lines. Instead, you can show it with shading. If you place the nostrils according to the surfaces of the pyramid, there will be no perspective errors. Finally, clear the guidelines and finish. See you.